conspicuous and round. These women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. And forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the rolls. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my pinky's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Ludacris fill cups like Double D. Me and Ursh once more when we leaves them dead. We want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed that say,
I don't care. I just wanna be yours. I know I told you I never love you the way that I did again. After all that you did to me, but I got to say, I don't care. I just wanna be yours. And I'm trying everything in my power to never ever say, please come back to me, but I got to say.
Girl, I love how you clap that ass. The way your booty cheeks move around when I tap that ass. Look at she twerking so swift, she gon' stack some cash. Popping it quick, asking me Twister, how you rap that fast? Like this. Wanna spit like this cause it is I from the shy. That's real. When I get the booty up in the bed, thighs open wide. Every time she speaks, she tell me her thought go deep. And how she a freak a leak, so I kept my eyes on the prize. Shorty, work that, twerk that, good. Pump back, show me how you cut back, good. Slip that, love her how you take that, good. Show the Johnny Petey Pop, how you shake that, stuff. That's true. Never be trippin', she cutting like it ain't nothing. A nymphomaniac, always down for some sucking and fucking. She told me next time, better make sure I bring the Seagulls. And she gon' bring her girl, and we can all have a threesome.